Hello, today I'll be showing you how to thread a sewing machine from Brother model JA20. So take a thread that matches the fabric you'll be working with and let the spool pin hold your thread. Right there, that's the spool pin, like so. Pull the thread towards the thread guide inside there. I'm sure you can see it from the machine. There's a metal thing inside there. Run your thread and hook it from the bottom coming out through the top of the thread guide, like so. Run the thread through the metal there. I don't know what it's called. If anyone knows, please share in the comments. I don't know what it's called. So run the thread passing under the tension control dial. Just like that. Under, then up. The thread take up lever. Let me show you so that you can see the thread take up lever. There's a metal inside there. That one going up and down. Yeah, hook your thread from right to left. Yes, like that, and pull it down. So before you pass the thread into the needle, make sure your needle is up, like just what I did, and hook the thread first into the needle threader, then into the actual needle. Yes, as you can see, I am passing the thread into the actual needle like that. And hook it on your presser foot and pull the string backwards. So before you start sewing, you need to fill up your bobbin. Inside there is the bobbin. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to fill up your bobbin. It's pretty easy because you cannot sew without filling up your bobbin. So right there, I'm ready to go. That's a bobbin shifter. Not a bobbin shifter, sorry guys. It's a presser foot shifter. It controls the presser foot. As you can see, I just shifted the presser foot so that it can hold my fabric while I'm sewing. And there we go. You pull your thread, and there is a thread cutter on the side of the machine. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to fill up your bobbin and how I made these cute scrunchies from scratch. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.